Anthonytutorials.
IObit Advanced SystemCare. Sweep junk files and privacy traces, remove potential threats, and increase internet speed in one click. Deeper registry clean. Deep clean useless or invalid registries to free up disk space and improve PC performance. 300% faster internet speed. Optimize browser settings to speed up internet connection dramatically. Secure PC and privacy. Clear online trace, disguise digital fingerprint and block secret access to personal data to better protect your PC and online privacy. Download the Advanced SystemCare free, the latest version. Then it opened a new window for you. And click the download button. Click Custom Install. See, these are checkbox are is checked. Then click the Install button. Tick the No Thanks and click Next button. Installing this may take a few minutes. Please be patient. You can give to your email or just click simply No Thanks. Now Advanced SystemCare it open automatically. Now you can click the Select All and click the Scan button. After all scanned, click the Fix button. Now all are fixed. Now you can click Finish. Let's dive into other options. Select Speed Up and select the Work mode. You can try other options too. Now select Toolbox option. You can click what you want it's given to and download. I'm going to select System Information and see how it's work. Next option is Software Update. Also you can change the skin mode. Classic or dark. I more like to dark mode. Also Advanced SystemCare have memory cleaning option like these.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Have a great day.